Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Fleet Battles. This easy method focuses on getting you into the action quickly. First, familiarize yourself with the game's core components: detailed ship models, custom dice, and various tokens. The primary goal is often to eliminate your opponent's fleet, though some scenarios involve capturing objectives. Before starting, choose your preferred faction, like the Unsk or Covenant, and agree on a total fleet point value, commonly 1,000 points, for balanced play. Setting up your battle is straightforward. Begin by placing terrain features, such as asteroid fields or gas clouds, across the playing area to create strategic obstacles and cover. Next, deploy your chosen ships within your designated deployment zone, typically a 12-inch area from your board edge. Finally, determine who goes first by rolling off. The player with the higher roll gains the initiative for the first turn, giving them a crucial early advantage. During your turn, you'll activate each of your ships one by one. First, move your ship using its specific movement template, carefully navigating through space and around terrain. After moving, your ship can perform actions such as firing its weapons. To attack, select a target within your weapon's arc and range, then roll the indicated attack dice. Your opponent rolls defense dice, and any unblocked hits inflict damage, bringing them closer to destruction. To win Halo Fleet Battles using this easy method, the most direct path is to destroy all of your opponent's ships. A key tactic is to concentrate your fire, focusing all available weapons on one enemy vessel until it is eliminated, rather than spreading damage thinly. Remember to use the terrain to your advantage. Asteroid fields can provide cover, reducing incoming damage, while gas clouds might obscure your ships, setting up ambush opportunities. Master these simple steps, and you'll be commanding your fleet to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.